Today we're doing our Gaggia Classic E24's first shot, first cup video. For this video, I don't know if you've seen it on the unboxing video. I already had this because I ordered the machine and the coffee together. And Lavazza Espresso Barista Grand Crema medium roast coffee. So I just wanted to give it a try. Like any ordinary person will go out there and buy it, you know, starting the coffee game with a beautiful machine like this, and will order a Lavazza coffee to start with. And down the road, as you develop your palate with the espresso taste and things like that, you can actually go ahead and find yourself a local roaster, and maybe you can get specialty coffee. But for starters, let's go with the Lavazza, you know, tried and truth, trusted brand. Let's see what happens. I'm also gonna use my trusty Turin DF54 with this beautiful red accent, matches to my coffee machine, and it's set to currently 11, and this machine is zeroed properly, so grind level is 11 for this particular coffee. So let's go ahead and grind 16 grams of coffee and use all the standard tools came with this machine. Let's go ahead and open this coffee. I never tried this one, so I'm kind of curious. And after that, we'll go ahead and pull our shot. Wow, it smells really good already. I just slid open the top. Very nice smell. Here are the coffee beans. I don't think you can see that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bring it to the screen so you can see it a little bit closer. Medium roast. All right, let's put this over here, get our scale out, get our dosing cup, turn our scale on. This scoop came with the Gaggia, so 14.7, 15.6, 16 grams. All right. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire up the DF54. From the top, just gonna pour it slowly. Oh, smells incredible. Couple of pumps. Turn it off. Pump. Oh, smells so good. I don't know if you can see it. Let's get our little portafilter. I'm using the single wall double shot basket. Again, I'm using everything directly from Gaggia box. No aftermarket tools or accessories other than my scale and dosing cup. I don't see too much clumping. Very cool. I mean, just a little bit here and there, but again, we're using it as it came from the manufacturer or the seller. So let's go ahead and tamp it with this plastic tamper. I'm gonna do my best to tamp it. There she is. Here it is. All right. I filled the machine a little over halfway with filtered water. That's what I use for all my espressos, all my coffee machines, and simply we drink that water too in our home. We have clean faucet water, but I prefer that. Honestly, I do not descale at all when I use that, believe it or not. So let's go ahead and lock this. Again, machine is very light comparing to your standard espresso machines, so it has some movement as I try to lock in the portafilter. I'm gonna use this awesome double wall cups that I picked up on Amazon. They're incredible. They're all warmed up. The warming plate on top works really well. And so let's go ahead and put this in, but it's not gonna work with our scale. What I'm gonna do is, if I can, I'm just gonna pull a straight shot and visually try to get it. As you see, the distance is fairly limited, so it's a good idea to purchase a low profile drip tray for this machine. If you're gonna use cups like this, this is not even a super tall cup. I'm just surprised that barely fitting there. Another solution we can do is the next video about this upgrades to this machine. I'm gonna use a bottomless basket, so that'll give us some more space up here. All right, our machine is warmed up, all the lights on. Let's go ahead and pull the shot. All right, let's go ahead and get our cup. Not too bad. Here it is. That Lavazza is pretty good coffee. Very cool. This Lavazza is an incredibly good coffee. Lots of crema. I love it. Let's put this aside. I got some milk here on my pitcher. I'm gonna go ahead and steam some milk so we can see how the steaming power of this machine. All right, let's go ahead and turn on the steam. Once the steam light is on, we'll go ahead and purge some steam and water out of it. And then we'll go ahead and steam our milk for microfoam. All right, still waiting on the light. This is the thing about the single boiler machines. It takes up a little bit of a time. You gotta be patient with them. They're classic Italians. Here we go. Our steam light is on. Let's go ahead and purge our water. Turn the steam on. All right. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug in the milk. Here goes. Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and clean this. Perfect. So Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Here we go. Let's get our cup. Man, I'm terrible lately on this latte art. Usually I do a pretty good job. Anyways, this is excellent. I mean, I'm very impressed with the steam wand. Of course, didn't fail me at all. Just as expected, Gaggia did a great job. Let me go ahead and taste this. Incredible. Incredible, I love it. Coffee is great. Steam power is perfect. Heat up time is not too bad at all. I love these little switches. They're incredibly nice. And all in all, this is an excellent machine. All right, let's go ahead and check our puck. See what that looks like. It's perfectly dry. Don't see any problem with it at all. So this is an excellent machine. Even without the accessories, you can pull a great shot without any upgrades to any other stuff. But there are certain things that you definitely need it. Number one is a way better temper. Number two, a very low profile scale for this machine because limited space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and order all those accessories, and we're gonna make our last video of this series showing what we can do with this machine to take it to the next level. But as it is, it's a great coffee. I highly recommend that coffee, Lavazza Espresso Barista Grand Crema Medium Roast, and as well as this amazing machine. I'm gonna have all of these, including Touring the F54, in my video description for you. If you're interested in, go ahead and feel free to check it out. If you buy one of those through those links, you'll be supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. Please like and share it with a friend who's into coffee like we are. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe for many more cool stuff. Thanks for watching Teo Steak. Have a delicious day.